Nilgiri Tea, we have been processing tea produced by small growers and marketing them to tea lovers all over the country. We mainly produce black tea. From the time of purchase, we work on producing the best quality tea leaves, which are packaged and distributed from our factory. The tea industry in Sri Lanka has gained global recognition, and we too are keen to join in by producing quality products. From 2010 to date, Switch has been guiding us to reach success in this arena. From consulting services on measures suitable for operations, supervision and guidance, we have been able to implement many steps to ensure that the quality of our products is maintained. Training programs provided by Switch have benefited our employees and made them more aware of the importance of being environmentally and socially responsible. We are extremely satisfied with the changes we have made thus far, and the quality of our workforce has significantly improved post the Switch program. We have now installed a capacity banker to cut back on electricity used, reduce KVA, introduce color separators to ensure raw materials are used well, evaluated and repaired our machinery and utility lines to ensure wastage is minimized. To reduce water used for cleaning, we use pressure guns to clean our factory post-operation periods. To minimize our thermal energy consumption, we now use dry wood, shavings, and store it in a manner to reduce moisture. Our employees use raw materials and conduct packaging, keeping in mind sustainable consumption mechanisms, and focus on reducing wastage. We use high-quality packaging and storing material to ensure that they last long and are efficient. Quality material reduces wastage by ensuring the work is intact and perfect. We have already received ISO certification and hope to gain other certifications through this program as well. Here are some of our key achievements since 2011. We look forward to more support from Switch and continuous guidance to be a leading environmentally and socially responsible tea producer.
2010 අවුරුද්දේදී ස්විච් ඒසියා කියන වැඩසටහන එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න මට ලැබුණා. ඒ වැඩසටහනෙන් සම්බන්ධ වුණාට පස්සේ අපේ කර්මාන්තශාලාවේ අපි නොදුටු ගොඩක් පැති වලට එයාලා හරහා අපිට යොමු වෙන්න පුළුවන් වුණා. ඒ අතේ ගොඩක්ම විදුලිය ඒ වගේම දර ඒ වගේම ජලය සම්බන්ධයෙන් එයාලා ඒ වගේ අපතේ යන ටැංක් සොයලා බලලා වුන් අපිව දැනුවත් කළා ඒ වයින් අපිට මාසෙකට ලොකු ප්‍රමාණයක් මුදලක් ඉතුරු කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණා. ඉතින් ඒ සම්බන්ධයෙන් මම ස්විච් ඒසියා වැඩසටහනට මගේ ස්තුතිය ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා. මේ අවුරුදු දෙකක් කාලයක් අපිට ඒ උන්ගේ දැනුම ලබා දීලා අපේ ආයතනයට දක්වපු සහයෝගය සම්බන්ධව